Hello everyone, you are watching another episode of Uzbektales, and as usual I'm your host Bigel Boymatov. Guys, here we are again, another episode of Uzbektales. Let's go! Guys, I'm gonna show you today another episode, another hostel. So let me show you where I'm standing. I'm standing in the center of Tashkent. This is the Novoy Street, and here a lot of 5-star, 4-star hotels. Right over there, 5-star Hyatt Hotel. There is City Palace Hotel and other hotels. But if you want to stay in the center, but if you don't have much money, guys, I'm gonna show you. This is the one. This is the hostel, Paradise Inn. So you can see the number also here, I think. Hostel 781220818. Let's go. So if you don't want to spend much money but you want to live in the center, in the small hotel, welcome to the Paradise Inn Hotel. So we will go inside now. Yeah, this is the one. You can sit here. So see, this is the smoking area. Paradise Hostel. See, it's always open 24 hours. So we'll enter from here. Let's go. Yeah. So this is the reception guy. So they are located. I'm gonna show you. This is in this photo. They are located right here. Yeah, right here. See, this is the center of Tashkent actually. So now, okay, they put some map here also. Wow, nice. Yeah. So no smoking. Please take off your shoes because inside no shoes. What about here? They just wrote greetings here in different languages. You can see. Hoş geldiniz, добро пожаловать, welcome, hoş geldiniz, and others. So reception is here. It's open 24 hours. Okay, so just regular reception, small reception. So now I'm gonna show you one of the rooms. Let's go. One of the rooms here. Okay, they just classified the rooms, you know, see, B room, C room, and other type of rooms. Opa, let's go. This is small capsule here. See, okay, let me, okay, yeah. Guys, this is the small, now, okay. Small capsule. It's for 2 person actually, but you can take it for 1 person also. If just for 1 person, that will be 110,000 soon. For 2 person, 150,000 soon, as per the current rate. So that will be in US dollar, I think, $10 and $14. See, just small, nice, very quiet hostel, very quiet capsule here. Okay, this is the 2nd floor. Okay, 2nd floor. See, here also very nice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 capsules here, and see, there's a window. Yep. So if you don't want to spend much money, if you want just small sleeping area for you, you can come here. You can take a rest here. So this is the there is a number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. I put up the numbers. Very nice. There is an air conditioner also. Everything what you need here is available. So Wi-Fi and other things. Let's go. I'm gonna show you another room. So another room is Let's go. This is this room. So this room is, I think, 150,000 Uzbek soon. So this is the small cupboard. You can put everything here, all your belongings. See, there is the numbers 1, 3, and 4 and 2. See, so you can take the bed space here. Flowers outside. You can open the window. Very nice weather outside. Right here, this is the center of Tashkent actually. See, gonna close this one. Some flowers, and it's very warm. Heater is here. So yep, see, nice bed space for you guys. Yep, for 4 person. Now I'm gonna show you. So see, they arrange it with the beautiful photos of Uzbekistan, and they put it, see, K room, V2 room, see, they classified by themselves. This is a different photo. So this is the one of the main area. This is the kitchen slash rest area. So if you guys need some ironing, it's here. If you need some tea, coffee amenities, you can use all the cutleries here. Water is over there, and you can sit here. You can have your meal, everything, and coffee machine is always available. See guys, coffee machine is also here, and the microwave oven is also at your disposal. And by the way, no alcohol. This is very important. See here, they put it again here, some nice photos of Uzbekistan. Oh, I like this one. It's when they took it during the rainy time. So now I'm gonna show you another. Yeah, this is the one. So you can use this washing machine. All the guests, as per the owner, receptionist, they brought some books. They left here books. Nice. You know guys, I like the books. I'm always advertising books in my another channel in Uzbek language. So when I saw these books, I said, wow, nice. See, so in different languages, in French, in English, in Russian, and other languages, they kept it books. And another one is, yep, see, see, you can use it, washing machine. And another thing is, you can use this fridge also. Fridge is, whoa, see, in other hotels they are always empty, but here, see, it's full of everything actually. It means hotel is almost full actually. So there was 2 rooms available right now, but later on they will be also occupied. So I show you the 2 rooms, and this is the TV. You can watch it, everything as usual, free Wi-Fi and everything, guys. See, so at the center of the Tashkent, if you want to stay in a small hostel, very hospitable hostel, guys, I'm gonna recommend you this hostel. It's called Paradise Inn. Paradise Inn. See, this is the different rooms here. G room and other rooms, F room. See, I like this one. Okay, there is a guest always now, so I'm not gonna enter. But you see, a lot of guests, a lot of shoes around. They are always busy. They are always occupied. Of course, because of the price, because of the location, because of the the personnel, they're always, you know, very hospitable guys, very hospitable ladies working around here. That's why this place is always occupied. So guys, I think let's go outside. Let's go outside. I think this is more than enough for today. I'm gonna show you, I already show you guys everything, yeah, here. So if you want to stay in a small but very nice cozy hostel, you can choose Paradise Inn Hostel. So just visit here. I'm gonna leave all the contact details of the Paradise Inn right in the down below the video. You can come, you can call, you can approach them anytime. So this is the one, I think. Let's go, guys. So, okay, this one. I'm gonna show you here one more time. These capsules, very nice capsules. I like actually capsules. So guys, this is the end. If you like this video, if you like this hostel, you can come, you can approach them anytime. So this is the end, guys. I'm gonna finish my video. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share our video, subscribe, like. Thank you very much. See you guys in next episode. Bye bye.